Welcome. With quick solutions, we will help you solve problems on your laptop of your computer with easy steps. Without wasting time, subscribe to this channel, and let's jump into today's video.
Yes, we are going to use a command prompt to speed up our computer right away, so don't skip any part of the video. So what we are going to do now is to search on your Windows, then you type cmd. The command prompt will pop up as you see on the screen. Then after that, you let's click it and run as an administrator. With here, you have to allow your computer to access the administrator's permission, so that you can do everything permanently without any temporary. And so what you see is this that you see on my screen now. So after that, you have to click on your keyboard to access this permission. As once again, then you will type Windows plus R. So you will see this pop up. So you have to type cmd and then click on OK. After that, you can close this part. So let's command to speed up our computer or laptop. Please, this is not part of what we are doing now, so don't copy it. So what you do is to type FSUTIL. After that, you leave space, then you type behavior. So as you can see, I'm typing BEHAVIOR. So after that, you type query, leave space and type query, memory usage. After you type all this, then you click on the enter button. The enter button will let you know what the level of your or the type of your computer is. So you can see my computer has 0 speed, so I need to increase the speed. So we are going to increase our speed of our computer or our laptop. So let's type FSUTIL. Then you type behavior, BEHAVIOR. So with here, you don't need to type correct. I'm sorry. You don't need to type this one. You need to type set. We are setting different speed. So you need to type set memory usage. Then you type 1. So your laptop or your computer will move from 0 to 1. As you can see, then it has moved from 0 to 1. So you need to increase your PC speed. So we are going to increase it from 1 to 2. So let's make it. You provide the same details. So FSUTIL behavior, then set memory usage, then you type 1. Oh, sorry, then you type 2. Sorry, we are from 1 to 2, yes. Then you type 2. Yes, then you hit on the enter button for your computer to increase speed to 2. So if you want to increase it again, you can do so by increasing it to another speed by typing 3, 4, another that you want. So you have to reboot your.
Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.
You have to reboot your machine to take effect. Yes, because it says changes to these settings require a reboot to take effect. Memory usage too. So you need to reboot your. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel. See you next time.